How to log in to Safepal wallet or account. Hello everyone, welcome back into my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can easily log into your Safepal wallet or account. Now first things first, in order to log in you will need the Safepal application. You can either get the Safepal wallet application from your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, Android or iOS respectively. Or the next thing you can do is simply head into your browser and head into safepal.com. However, there too it might redirect you to download the app as well, so I'll recommend you to download the app straight away. Simply go ahead and open up the application. Once you do so, and you'll be headed straight into the login page. If you haven't yet created the wallet, you can see the create new wallet option. If you want me to show or explain on how you can create new wallet, you can comment down below. Now if not, if you want to log in, simply tap on add existing wallet, or if you have the hardware wallet you want to connect it, you can choose the option as well. In this case here, tap on add existing wallet, enter in the 6-digit pin code here, and you want to confirm your digit password, and then you can simply go ahead and enable either the touch security or not, and then enter your phrase or keys, your secret phrase that you'll need. You'll have to either import from your cloud or you can paste it or type it in. Then tap on next and you should be able to log in. So this is how you can log in to your Safepal wallet. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.